Good luck in our box break happening right now. This is Leaf History Baseball Cut Signatures. And we are looking for treasure in this break. So let's find it. Let's find some treasure and cut signatures in this 510 box break. This is our owner list. We're going to random this list 7 times. We're going to random the letters 7 times. Stack the lists up side by side, and that's how you get your letter in the break. Okay, Detroit Don has predicted an old schooler. Yeah, that's what this break is all about. In history of baseball, here we go. 7, lucky number 7. The first random's finished. Bold prediction. Okay, pre-1950s. Now that's a little bit more of a prediction. All right, here we go. Last name letter. I'd love to see a Lou Gehrig or a Babe Ruth, Mickey Mantle. One of the big ones come out of here. 7 times. No Otanis. Hashtag no Otanis. 6. Lucky number 7. Mickey Mantle. Good luck with Mickey Mantle. That is for Sean, Mickey Mantle. Who knows? We could have a Ruth. We could have a Gehrig. All right. Let's get to the box break. Enough speculation. Enough speculation. It's time. We've got 2 cut signatures coming out of here. 2 of them. In our box break. Well, that's a bit big. There we go. Cut signature, box number 1. No one thinks there'll be any Otanis. That's the stupidest thing I've heard today. All right. Here we go. That's a Carlton Fisk. I can already tell you it's a Carlton Fisk. Oh my goodness. One of my favorite all-time players. He had a long career too, didn't he? He played for like 30 years. This is great. Red Sox, White Sox kind of ball player right here. Letter F owner, congratulations, man. This is really cool. Exceptional autograph. Love it. I would love to have this. This is terrific. And yes, Mr. Detroit Don, this one is for you. Got great big blue ink on there. I love how legible it is. Very bold print. Or, what have you. Terrific. Little piece of history. Carlton Fisk. Here we go. Hit number 2 in the history of baseball. What's it going to be? I think it's just you, Hockey Joy, because I got feedback from everybody else, and they said they were smooth as molasses. Okay, Detroit Don says we're cutting out now. So I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know if there's anything I can do at this moment. But I'll look into it. Let me see. Let's find out what hit number 2 is. Hit number 2. In our box break. It's a Phil Necro. It is a Phil Necro. Ho! Letter N, you've got this Hall of Fame signature. Congratulations. This one is yours as well. Don, congrats with your Phil Necro. Nice. Hall of Fame signature here. You see he's shown with the Braves. Not this time. So very nice. Congratulations. When Detroit Don really cleaned him up here with these two legends of the game, Carlton Fisk and Phil Necro. Congratulations. Ho! Boom.